Hello and welcome to New Conveyor. New Conveyor has extensive experience in execution of complete powder, granules, fly ash, bulk solids handling system in medium to large sectors on turnkey basis. This includes design and engineering, manufacture and supply, site fabrication and erection and associated structural works. These services cover all activities involved in a project right from concept to commissioning. New Conveyor Systems is a solutions-oriented equipment supplier, specializing in custom design and implementation of bulk material handling system in India. New Conveyor are the top-notch manufacturer, supplier and export company that deals in the products like pressure or vacuum pneumatic powder conveyor pressure vacuum, mechanical conveyor like tubular chain drag conveyor, screw conveyor, dense or dilute flow system for fly ash or cement conveying system, bulk product handling system, milling, sieving, mixing, drying machines and equipments, bunker, storage tank and pressure vessel. Tubular drag chain conveyor provides gentle, enclosed continuous transfer of bulk solid materials, including fine powders, granules, pellets and moist sludges, at any angle, in any plane, and around any obstacle. The chain links in the conveyor's chain and disc conveying mechanism function like universal joints, enabling the conveyor to simultaneously move material in multiple directions and planes. The conveyor also has a low profile, flexible design that allows it to fit into tight spaces around existing plant equipment. Dense phase conveying is a highly reliable pneumatic conveying system with a low velocity and a high product-air ratio, suitable to convey powders and granule. With dense phase conveyors, the product is introduced into the conveying line through a pressure vessel and is suitable to convey products from a single point to one or more receiving points. Material run in a closed pipe, no dust, environment protect, reliable operation, less wearing parts, easy to maintenance, long lifespan of 3-5 years. Powder transfer system is unique dry material transfer system for dust-free and avoid human touch. Points system is used in pharmaceutical, food, bulk drug, agrochemical, sugar industries and other organic and inorganic chemicals. Points system designed specifically for the direct charge loading of blenders, mixers, sifter, milling, reactors or any vessel capable of withstanding a vacuum. Points system can be provided mobile type with lifting provision to move one room to another room for loading and unloading any machine. Flexible screw conveyor is designed to handle bulk dry powders and granular materials, also able to deliver bulk product at desired rate and elevation. Typical application for the new conveyor flexible screw conveyor is to have the main drive motor hanging from the ceiling, locating the discharge point at a specific location and elevation. Flexible screw conveyor can be set up to operate intermittently, running only when it receives a signal from the low-level sensor controller in the receiving hopper. Once a signal is received, it pulls the bulk product from the lower hopper at a designed rate of speed. Screw conveyors are capable of handling a great variety of bulk materials from sluggish to free-flowing. Screw conveyors can have multiple inlet and discharge points. Bulk materials can be conveyed and distributed to various locations as required. Once the power switch is opened, the screw begins to rotate and feed, so that material can be lifted up to the material outlet. The machine will stop working automatically when the level sensing the device indicates that material is full, and starts working again after several minutes later when the material level decreases. Big bag stations are designed for loading and unloading of bulk bags in effective and safe way. Different types of bulk materials can be handled, starting from free-flowing granules to poly-flowing sticky fine powders. Modular design of systems make them easy to be configured for each application need like big bag loading and unloading, product storage, dust collection, dosing and conveying can all be done in single unit. Also easy to clean, maintenance-free design, rigid steel construction filter system for preventing dust. Fully automatic bag slitter can cut open and discharge up to 1000 bags per hour of powdered materials with soft lumps up to 100 mm size from polywoven, HDPE, Hessian and paper bags including bags of multi-wall construction. Depending on the properties of the product and the condition of bags, Capacities up to 25 tons per hour can be obtained. The standard execution will handle approximately 10 tons per hour. The product is discharged within a contained dust-free environment with automatic empty bag compaction. Today's process industries most often rely on bin activator and discharger to move dry bulk materials out of storage on demand. Properly applied, bin activator and discharger eliminate bridging and rat holing, reduce particle segregation and promote mass flow. They are efficient, convenient and economical and attach to any bin or silo whether new or existing. Rotary vacuum paddle dryers is utilized in varied industries to extract and obtain dry powder either from solutions or wet cake. Operational efficiency is high and the costs incurred are low with this dryer when compared to other dryers in the market. The mechanism involves a closed system wherein hot water, steam, or hot fluid is used as a heating medium within the jacket, in the hollow paddle as well as in the hollow shaft. This paddle dryer includes vacuum pump, condenser, receiver and dust collection. Rotacone dryer is working under vacuum, facilitates enhanced drying efficiency, low temperature operation and economy of process by total solvent recovery. Most suitable for drying of materials which cannot resist high temperature, material which are easily oxidized, volatile materials which should be retrieved, materials strong irritant and poisonous in nature. Due to vacuum, the drying is enhanced resulting in fast drying, cutting the process time, which saves heat energy and electric energy. Agitated Nutch filter dryer is a closed vessel designed to separate solid and liquid by filtration under pressure or vacuum. The advanced technology of agitation and hydraulics used in the equipment makes it versatile and user-friendly. This is a combination of filter and dryer unit in single equipment to achieve economy in process, space and energy, thereby improving profitability. Vacuum tray dryer is used mainly for drying of high-grade, temperature and oxygen-sensitive products. Vacuum tray dryer is highly suitable for drying hygroscopic substances, which are dried to very low residual moisture content level. Frequently vacuum drying cabinets are the sole possibility for drying lumpy, glutinous products or products of low pomposity. Fluid bed dryer providing compactness and conceptual principle of air fluidization for drying granules, crystalline, coarse or similar materials in pharmaceuticals, fine chemicals, dyes, food and allied industries. The basic concept of the fluid bed system begins with a simple drying unit to which several different optional packages may be added for conversion to a granulation or quota. Tray dryer's basic working principle is the continuous circulation of hot air. In the tray dryer, moisture is removed from the solids that are placed in the tray by a forced convectional heating. The moist air removal is conducted partially but in a simultaneous fashion. AVI Lab in 6, 12, 24, 48, 96 and 192 trays per batch capacity. Reaction vessel is made according to customers' specific requirements in different sizes, shapes, with or without jackets, various types of agitators, with limpet coils. They are designed and fabricated to match the optimum process conditions of temperature and pressure with efficient mixing application. Reaction vessels are widely used in liquid formulation, solid liquid mixing in chemical, food, pharma and paints industries. Ribbon blenders operate on the two principles of mixing, convection and diffusion. Convective mixing is the macro movement of large portions of the solids. Convection mixing occurs when the solids are turned over along the horizontal axis of the agitator assembly. Manufacturing in stainless steel 316, 304 and carbon steel construction. Heating jacket as per demand, available capacity 50 liters to 8 kl. Octagonal blender, due to its octagonal shape, is designed to process larger volume of material. It occupies less space compared to other similar blenders like V and double cone. Power consumption is also less. The blending takes place at low speed during operation. Material of construction is stainless steel 316 or 304. Capacity from 50 liters to 3 kl. Double cone blenders are most often used for dry blending of free-flowing solids. The solids being blended in these units can vary in bulk density and in percentage of the total mixture. Materials being blended are constantly being intermixed as the double cone rotates. V-mixers are rotary mixers, also called tumble blenders. The whole shell, which has a shape of a V and is made of two cylinders welded at 75 degrees to 90 degrees, is rotated, allowing to mix the components thanks to a diffusive mixing. After a certain number of rotation, an optimum mixing is obtained. Vibrosifter machine works on the principle of gyratory vibrations. The material is separated on the basis of their particle size. Once the motor gets energized, vibration is caused in the screen sieve, making the material to travel across the sieves according to its particle size. Material of construction is stainless steel 316 and 304 grade. Available size is 20, 30, 36, 48 and 60-inch diameter. Rotary sifter material is screw-fed into the cylindrical sifting chamber by means of a feed screw. The rotating pedals, which do not contact the stationary screen, propel each particle through the screen by the action of centrifugal force. The oversized material is conveyed axially and thrown at the other end. Vacuum model for inline sifting is available. Lump breakers work on the principle of impact. Material going into the lump breaker is impacted along the edge of its rotating blades within a fixed comb. The finished particle size is determined by the space between the blades and combs, the size of the blades, and the speed at which they rotate. Lump breaker is designed to provide a simple, more economical means of reducing compacted materials into smaller, granulated product required for most processing or packaging lines. The lump breaker improves product flow for a variety of applications. The multi-mill operates on the principle of variable force swing beaters having both knife and impact edges rotating within a selected screen to get the required size reduction. In multi-mill, particle size reduction is done through impact in air, on material by blades moving at high speeds, inside a cylindrical hopper. New conveyors array enables in acquiring a wide client base, in Indian as well as overseas markets. New conveyor implement various measures in its activities to ensure that all the needs of clients are completely met and they are optimally satisfied. Also having association with some of the big names in the industry, and our objective is to further expand our business horizon by venturing into the key international markets. Would you like to learn more about our products or individual advice? We would be pleased to oblige. Whether you call us or visit one of our local representatives, we are always available for your enquiries. Moreover, we are always prepared to send one of our representatives to you for a personal visit. Please request an appointment. We look forward to seeing you.